Hello everyone, VincentWeir here, and welcome to this 4th of July vlog for 2016. I decided to do a 4th of July vlog because I haven't done a vlog in a while, and my last vlog, which was about me playing Roblox again, since it was a long time since I played that game, it was kind of pointless, but I had to do something to fill my YouTube channel, so I had to do that vlog. But for now, this is a serious vlog. It's 4th of July. Uh, Me and my mom are gonna go and watch fireworks at the city center, like where the town hall is, because they're doing a fireworks show there, and it's gonna be pretty cool. We might get ice cream before or after the show, so I don't know. Maybe I'll stumble upon some of my classmates or some of my friends and stuff like that. So, yeah, I'll see you later. Yeah. We're finally here at the event, and we got here just in time before parking was filled. We saw the Palmer Chiropractic building over there, and parking was like filled. So we went over to this fire station and got some parking, and we were kind of lucky. There's people over there walking to the city center, and yeah, like most of Port Orange, or some of it, is coming to the city center just for this fireworks event. I forgot to mention that there will be food, games, and a kids zone. So it's gonna be pretty interesting. I still have my custard here. It's really good. I like Oreo custard. Yeah. Other than that, I have nothing else to say. So I'll see you later.
Want to go here?
Jesus.
Where? That's crazy.
I guess. Okay, so if you don't know, my dad is a firefighter, and he works for the city, and that means that he gets to like do like the stuff for the fireworks show. So he's letting me get a closer look at the fireworks. So yeah.
You got some squibs in there, but
All right.
these are empty.
So this is a closer look at all of the fireworks.
That's a squib.
They're all going into 5A.
What's it called?
If you want, I can show you a 5-inch and you can sign them.
Hey! Hey!
They
Are we running both?
They have all these fireworks just for this one show and event. It's gonna be awesome. Yeah, and I think they still have more in that U-Haul truck over there.
Blind green, whatever, shallow green like that. Unfortunately, this one, I don't know what's wrong with it. It's showing shallow green even though I haven't shot it, so.
Huh.
Has an arming switch, so that way hopefully I don't set anything off accidentally. Change locations to do different things. Actually, that does make me a little nervous. But I guess it's working right.
Okay, the fireworks show is about to start. I don't have any earmuffs or something to cover my ears, so this should be fun.
Houston, they got a problem.
Is that it? Okay, I guess that's it. Okay, so here's the aftermath. Apparently a row of fireworks didn't fire. But just look at all of that mess, all of the foil and all the stuff that came out of the fireworks. It's all just crazy right there. I can't even get a closer look because one of the boxes are unstable, so yeah. Here comes the zombie apocalypse. Nah, it's just all the people who actually came to see the actual fireworks show. Wow, that's like a lot of people. It's like thousands of people that actually came to the city center and went to see all the fireworks. Yeah, this was worth it. Really worth it. That was a magnificent fireworks show from the city of Port Orange. I have to give huge kudos to the city of Port Orange for doing this event. It was absolutely spectacular. I love the shows they do on the 4th of July. I can't wait for next year's show. So yeah, I'll see you later. Okay, so I have nothing else to film for this vlog, so I'm just gonna do my outro now. So that's all for this 4th of July vlog for this year 2016. If you enjoyed, I'd really appreciate it if you gave this video a like to support the vlog series. And subscribe for more videos like this one. So thanks for watching, stay tuned for more. I'm VincentWeir, signing off.